This machine is very powerful, and this machine is favorited by lots of customers, especially customers in the South America. And you can see that our technician is showing you how to use the machine. Hello dear friends, Chef Fik, thank you for coming to our broadcast. I send you our catalog for your reference. And if you have any requirements, please contact us, and I will send you more videos and pictures. Our model P52 is very powerful. It can crimp the maximum 2.5 inches hydraulic hoses.